In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay by ACH on Freshbooks. H stands for Automated Clearinghouse, which is a secure bank-to-bank transfer. In Freshbooks, you'll be recording that an invoice was paid via ACH, so your books stay accurate and your client gets a confirmation. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Freshbooks, then click the official Freshbooks result to go to their site. On the home page, select Login and sign in to your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the navigation and choose Invoices. This is where all your bills live. Take a moment to locate the invoice you want to mark as paid. It helps to double check the client, the amount, and the due date so you're updating the right record. Click the invoice to open it. On the invoice page, go to More Actions. From that menu, choose Add a Payment. This opens a panel where you'll tell Freshbooks how the payment was received and when. Click Payment Method to display the available options and then select ACH. Choosing ACH indicates that the funds were transferred via bank transfer rather than cash, check, or card. If you don't see ACH as an option, your account may not have ACH enabled. That's typically a settings or plan feature, so just be aware of that. Next, you can add payment notes, which is optional but very useful for future reference. For example, you might include the date the transfer cleared or an internal reference number. Keep notes high level and avoid entering any sensitive banking details. Below that, you'll see the option to send the client a payment notification email. Turning this on is a great way to provide instant confirmation and maintain a professional paper trail without extra manual follow-up. When everything looks good, click Add Payment to save. Freshbooks will update the invoice status to reflect the payment, fully paid if the amount matches the balance or partially paid if you entered a smaller amount. You'll now see the ACH payment listed in the invoice history, which helps with reconciliation and reporting. Remember, this process records the payment in Freshbooks. Actual ACH transfers can take a few business days to settle depending on your bank. That's it. You searched for Freshbooks, logged in, opened your invoice, used More Actions to add a payment, selected ACH as the method, optionally added notes and a client notification, and then saved it. Following these steps ensures your records are clean, your clients are informed, and your accounting remains accurate. Thanks for watching, and keep your invoicing organized with clear, consistent payment entries.